What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Gonna go over our friend Gala Games, currently sitting at 0.054, down 0.11 on the day, seeing a market cap of 365 million. 24-hour volume has come down to 167 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to BitGet, grab $8,000 in bonuses. This is the main exchange I use for trading or Bybit, up to 30K in bonuses. Takes 2 minutes to sign up. Email me or sign up email, completely free access to over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns and talking all things crypto. Let's hop into Gala Games. So, gonna start here on the 1 hour time frame. So we may be seeing a leading diagonal into a potential wave 3. Now we may bounce. What we may be looking at is that you come down to wave 1. This is a wave 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you'd basically A, B, C into a wave 2. We do have bullish divergence. Money's flowing back in. So if you do start to push up, then you would look for a wave 2 rejection where we came down. Let me grab my brush one more time. Down in a wave 1, you'd see a wave 2 pullback and then continuation down in a wave 3. Now, if we were to come up and break that high of 0.058, then of course we could still focus on the potential of putting in a wave 5 of the leading diagonal. But personally, I think we will see some more downside in the short term, but we may see a little bit of relief bounce before then. If we just break down from here, then all that means is you'll see continuation down in the wave 3. But just looking at this divergence, and we have a little falling wedge here, you may see a little bit of a bounce. We'll have to see how that plays out. The 4-hour 20 EMA has crossed underneath the 55, the bearish cross. As you can see, this entire pump, since we had the bullish cross, we've been holding the EMAs, and finally we've broken them, and we're now underneath the 4-hour EMAs and broken down from this rising wedge. So just keep that in mind. If we continue to get rejected by the EMAs, technical target of the wedge here is about 0.043 for Gala. We are expecting that pullback to take you down in a wave 2 right now, which is in between 0.021 and 0.032. What we'd be looking for here is coming down in a wave A. You would pull back in a wave B, and then you would see a final wave C to take you down to that target zone. So as of right now, we have a wave 1 down, potential wave 2 pullback, looking to come down in that wave 3. As of right now, we have broken the trend line, but we'll see if we hold it as support and push up into that yellow box. But if we don't, and we just start to lose these lows here and we start to break down, your next level of support is that invalidation zone sitting at 0.046. As I mentioned, if we do break below that, then it would invalidate us pushing up in a wave 5, as a wave 4 pullback can never break the low of the wave 2, which is currently coming in here at about 0.046. Hopefully all that makes sense. If you're new to Elite Wave, some incredible videos here on YouTube that can explain it all for you, and then you just have to put it into practice. Make sure to sign up to either Bybit or BitGet. Grab those bonuses. Check out my full length tutorials. They're also pinned at the end of the video. Email me or sign up email, free access to over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns and talking all things crypto. The 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis, trade signals, crypto news, see how the members are doing. They like to post their profits in here. Mahado alt plays, all of that is coming in for 10 USD per month. Sign up through the Patreon link, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.